camera on. Just put the camera on because I've just seen the sign for Wrynose Pass and the Hard Knot Pass. So this is going through Little Langdale here and then onto the passes. So yeah, we'll see how we get on. The amount of bikes, the amount of cars, buses, and hopefully we don't get too many. We'll just have a pleasant ride. Beautiful, really, really hot. So I think when we get to one of the Wrynos, we'll start charge everything up for 20 minutes and then go from there. On this road here for 6 miles, so this all looks like what I've seen from YouTube, which is good. All these little places and cottages. This is what I'm wanting. Look at that. Thank you very much. It's just a little line there, though. That's the 3 shires. Really careful and really switched on here. So we're just going to take it easy. You'll go slow and go easy and enjoy the ride. You're looking ahead at the pace. This is the car. Coming up. Something the other way, really. See the rest of the car, beautiful. Head up to the Wrynose Pass. Wrynose Pass, half a mile. So I think we'll have a little recharge and everything. Just do a lot of braking, just trying to let the bike do its thing. Right, so what we'll do, here we go. So this is why we're here. This is the Wrynose Pass leading to the Hard Knot. This is why we're here. Let's go. Here we go. The excitement begins. So this is the Wrynose Pass, and we'll head up to the Hard Knot. So there has been a few vehicles coming through here. So yeah, got to that entrance there before, and just sat and charged my phone up. Unfortunately, my phone saps the battery, so I just sat for 20 minutes and just we gave it some boost. It was down to like 20-30%, so it's now back up to 60 odd. So just had to sit there for 20 minutes in the sun, which is not a bad thing. So over the carpet. Yeah, cheating to people who are walking, people on bikes. This is amazing. You see how difficult these roads are to ride as a motorbike rider. And I suppose it's only really dangerous because of the traffic. That's the only thing I'm thinking about when they say how dangerous these roads are. Yes, they're steep, yes, they're big, but my issue for this is I think that it's just purely because of the road, that it's so obviously one way. You come up against a vehicle here, car, there's minibuses going through, there's even coaches come up and down here. It's insane. So, but we're going to give it a go. This is what I've been absolutely dreaming of. So, see the incline there, 25%, so it will be quick, but just sat in third gear. As long as I know I can see ahead, then I'll be able to keep the speed. Make these quite easy, but I'm really buzzing for this. I haven't seen people do this online. It's a bucket list item. And then yeah, I know I'm going up it, but I maybe will come back the other way. But the good thing is that it is quiet. This is all my years of enduro off-riding. Comes into play, riding up these twisties. And yet there's a car there, but that's fine. Good for me. Be in control. I can see over the top, I'm alright. The actions are quite good. Just looking at places to stop and have a bit of a look at the view, but probably not there. Probably where that minibus is or the van is. This is where people are walking. So just people are hiking, so it's probably good. So a few cars around, but not much of a view. We'll crack on. Obviously you want to do stop and have a look at things, but people walking up the hills. Look at that review, fuck me. That's why we're here. And the good thing is I can't really see anything coming up. So you can't see that, people. That is a view. Checking I actually am recording. Yeah, I am. Beautiful. I'm the only one on the road. There's no one behind me. There's no one coming up in front of me. The rest of the cars clear. Perfecto. I can imagine this being absolute chaos at like weekends and you know, holidays and stuff, but this way you want to do a trial or something on this river. There's a bike here. Let's say hello to this fella. Let him pass, nice and easy. All of them smiling, waving. Great. The biking community is wicked. Love the biking community. An example there of a car just out of nowhere. So that's the Wrynose Pass, lovely. And we're going to go up to the hard knot shortly. Lots of people here, so we'll have a they should do this as a rally, an adventure bike rally. What if there's something like that? On these passes. Yes. Apologies, I'm chatting absolute bullshit on these things, but sat here doing about 35-40 mile an hour as well, so I could imagine me doing this at like 20 mile an hour. Right, now we go to the hard knot. Here we go.